Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to another episode. Nah, I'm just joking. Hey, it's Jeffrey with Fair by Trade, and we're looking at the Russell micros, and we're looking at the Dow as well. What we can do is this. Let's merge two on one screen. See if we can look at it together. Let's see what we got. The market is opening actually in 3 seconds. So let's see what we're trading. Looking at the 2 minute. I didn't expect this to start dropping a little bit, but let's see. Definitely in yeah, I would say. It's still in the downtrend, right? The high is up here. Never came back and touched this yet. So let's just see what we are working with today. And Russell, could be just a little range. So let's just see where it wants to pop from as well. And let's see what you guys are trading. I want to get my camera together, but I'm not sure why I'm not able to do my live account on my laptop. So probably have to work with NinjaTrader to figure that out. But in the meantime, let's play the Invisible Man and let's just talk through this and let's see if we can pull a couple trades out. Let's see. All right, like maybe want to break out of this one. Not too bad. Let's bring this down a little. See how much we can cop. And we're doing live again, right? Just got one contract on the micro Dow. So I want to see if I can get a little lift off here. But let's see. The average is crossed, which is a good thing. But you know, it can sometimes come back and take you out. I like this outside bar here. This outside bullish bar, and I mean, let's patiently wait and see if this is gonna take off and go to another level. Hopefully, here's a good maybe first target. Let's see here what we got here, guys. Showing a little bit of rejection, but I'm in for one contract, so let's see if it's going to continue giving us this up push with this big bar. I would love for it to come up here to the current high and the previous high. So popping through those would be really excellent. All right, so I'm in. I hit my target. So now we'll just push this under here. And honestly, let's see how far this can go. I'm gonna make sure to put myself in profit pretty soon. I'm not gonna, clear myself out. So let's see where it wants to jump to. Let's see. We got about 15 seconds on this candle. Alright, there we go. Nice push. Let's go. I don't want to stay in it too long. So I'm going to put myself at least in profit. Knocking under here. I hope it doesn't take me out. I want to go straight up, but you never know. You never know. Come on, Mr. Russell. Mr. Dow. Oh, alright. It took me out. That was quick. So the Russell jumped up pretty good. So I'm going to. There's a lot of resistance right here, but it did pop above it. I may give it another shot. Let's see. Like it may want to come down. Let's see if it's gonna break this. It is sort of at resistance, right? Got this area here. So let's give it some room to run. We got resistance right here on the Russell as well, the micro Russell. So let's see if it's gonna pull back. It is far away from the averages as well. So Let's see what the Dow wants to do today. I mean, I want to take them, but let's see. Got about 5 seconds. I like this candlestick. Oof. I do like the candlestick, and I want to give it a shot. I mean, I do. Yeah, I want to give it a shot. I want to see if it's all talk or if it's something that, yeah, I figured. All right. Yeah, I think it still wants to rally. So I'm going to give it another shot. Not right now. It's coming down though. Let's be patient. It's 2 trades so far. Let's see what's gonna respect it. I've got a minute left on this candlestick here. Show some reversal off of these lines here. Did anybody sell it up here? All right, I didn't. But if you did, you're getting paid. You're definitely getting paid. Okay, it's pulling back. It is pulling back, so we're just gonna wait for another setup, guys. And it's good to have your stop in because with this pin bar here, even though it's far away, it didn't take it out. It was still a bullish candle with a long wick. Not a bad trade, but it's gonna get you sometimes. All right, so you just gotta keep going. Let's see where this is gonna take us here. I'm just gonna wait for another setup on this one. I mean, the Dow is still pushing, so it's still pushing down. It's coming up towards the 20. So what are you guys thinking? Who's out there looking to trade off the 20, off the 50, off this black line, which is the previous close? What are you guys looking for? All right, I may be looking for a buy, depending on where this candlestick lies. I mean, honestly, we have one here too. So, depends. So, let's just see. And the loss goal for each day, guys, is $60. All right, so we're just down 9. But we're not going to trade our way to 60 either, right? You want to, be a good loser, but not a sore loser. All right, so let's see what this candlestick is going to hold. I mean, I'm greedy. I'm going to take a shot and see what it wants to present. Let's see. Oh, not too forgiving. All right. That was my shot. Let's see. I'm going to let it reminisce off of these big candlesticks. Just going to wait a second and see what happens on the next candlestick. So, let's see. All right, we got about 15 seconds for this next candlestick to finish on a Dow, which is what I'm looking at. The Russell, we'll see. Depends on where it finished. The Russell is kind of swinging down past the averages, so I want to see what this is going to produce. I'm going to swing this one as well. Why? Came down on the 50, closed above the 50. Actually want to give it a shot and see if it was a rebound up, was a rebound down. But the momentum is tough coming down, so if it takes me out, I won't be surprised. Yeah, there we go. I won't be surprised, but you had to give it a shot. All right. So now let's see. I'm gonna wait a second, like it's maybe changing directions. So let's see what's gonna happen. I'm looking at this Dow one more time. Kind of like how it's set up, but these MACD line did cross, and it's still showing bearish momentum. So I don't want to see if I can catch a down here. But let's see. Close above the 50. I could be looking at the direction completely wrong, but I'm curious. Yeah, I made a trade, got my stop in right. Not going in blind. I do have a stop. I got in because this lower high, and I wanted to see if it's going to continue down. That's it. Right? All right, easy as that. Let's see if it's going to continue down, creating the low pass here. And let's see if it wants to touch some of these levels. All right, so let's see. Let's see. Come on, down. What you working with? Out if you're playing games. May have to get out if you're playing games. So let's see if he wants to continue pushing down, because this doji bar can be either reversal or continuation. So I'm hoping it's a continuation. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, let's see what we're working with. Let's see if we can get it to come down here a little. Yeah, create a little low. Nothing to cry about, but it did create a little low, which is good. So let's see if I would love it if it closed on the low, but let's see what the reward is going to be. Okay, not too bad. Let's see. Let's give some space to grow. I'm thinking it broke this, maybe more like this line. I'm just gonna be more like this. So I'm thinking maybe it's gonna come down to these lows here, right? But I don't know, right? I really don't know. I hope. But we got in with the right execution. We shorted it with the momentum of the market, and now we're gonna see if that momentum is gonna stick. I don't know, right? I kind of want to put it right here, shorten my loss. So if it does decide to like go skyrocket, at least I'm protecting myself a little bit more, right? So let's just see if the protection holds and it wants to continue down. Nice spike, which, you know, I'm sure scared a lot of people. Probably got some out, and then maybe it's gonna scoot back down. So let's give it some time to work, and let's see if we can profit on this candle. Nope, not today. Okay. All right. Show me who's boss. All right, so pull back. I think I got one more trade in me, guys. I think I'm gonna go for one more time on the short end. It did a little pullback, so I'm wondering if it's gonna still continue down, or the average is gonna weigh more heavy on the uptrend, which 20 is above the 50. But I got the MACD line across the MACD. The MACD across the signal. So I'm hoping that this is a little more powerful than the averages. So let's see. And either way, we're still going short, and we're going to see if we can kind of recover ground down here where it was originally. Right, maybe we'll just slow down here. But I'm not going to take any more trades after this. You know, I got a goal of 60. I'm not sure where I'm at now, but I'm very, very close, I'm sure. So let's see where this candlestick wants to place itself. Honestly, guys, I'm thinking it wants to come down all the way. I think it wants to jump lately. You know, you can't predict the market, but everything, when it drops down, it drops hard. If you guys been paying attention over the last month and over the last few days, even last week, it's been crazy, right? So I hope I get another crazy day where honestly it comes down here. I don't know. You know, look where it's been. Even yesterday. Like, it's been down there. So let's hope that it stays down there and it kind of rewards us for our patience. Alright, so let's see what we got, guys. Alright, guys. As you can see, everything is transparent. Lost 96. My son came in here, just demolished me, right? And made some stupid plays. Couldn't even press play. You would have heard him in the background. So I got stopped out of that play. I moved my stop like a crazy man, but I got in on a Russell on RT, R2, the M2K. and I want to see if it's gonna hit this first target, and then I got my next target up. So let's see what it wants to do right now. I'm definitely putting myself in profit for now, but let's see if it wants to continue up. I like this candle, right? But or if it wants to kind of stop here at these highs and shoot back down. So the thing will be to let it clear this and close above it with a definitely nice tail bar. That'll be really good, and maybe this will start going up for us today, right? So we can see what this will produce. So let's give it some time right now. It is 9:56. 10 o'clock is coming. So let's see if this bad boy is going to run up here between now and then. That'd be amazing. We got a minute now, so let's see. Let's just see. Let's see what it wants to do. And patience is going to help this one. All right, guys, let's see. Hang in there. We want this to be more of a fuller body. All right, so let's see what it's going to produce. Man, anybody made any mistakes out there today? I mean, 96 is not a lot of money. It is to me, but it's not the money. It's the discipline that I did not do what I said I was going to do. I mean, I saw this beautiful setup, so it kind of made it easy to take it. But other than that, I was trading all in here like an idiot. Like, I never do that normally, but I just wasn't paying attention. All right, my eyes started playing tricks on me. I should have stopped trading a long time ago. And that's usually what happens. All right. So let's see if this is going to hit this first target. And if it does, man, I would almost expect it to just fly through the roof. Maybe. What you guys think? All right, look on the Russell. On the Dow. This is a nice candlestick. I don't know if I can trade it. No, I can. All right. So we'll do that. And let's see if, honestly, we can get to these areas. Let's see if it wants to push up. All right, we got about a minute. And we giving Mr. Dow a minute. He hasn't been treating me well today, so we'll see if he's gracious enough to let me get one trade right. I just don't know if he's gonna let that happen. So let's see. I'm not moving anything, right? I'm only down a little bit, but I'm in profit on this trade. I'm hoping this trade takes a little leap even up here. So we're gonna know soon enough if it pulls back. But let's see. We got our stop in, right? 10 o'clock is about to hit in about 25 seconds. So let's see if it wants to skyrocket up. It looks like everything is upward motion, but these days you can never tell with the market, right? So let's see if it's more rewarding than we think. All right, got about 2 seconds. Let's go, guys. Let's go. And broke it. Broke that one too. All right, 82. Could have been a lot better, but it did come down. So let's see where it's going now. Let's see if it wants to do like a bounce through. But this big candlestick, I gotta be patient. With this big candlestick, you never know. It's hovering around the close, and it may start dropping back down. So let's see. Got about a minute. Yeah, it's pumping down now. It could drop. Honestly, it could start dropping. It could, right? Nothing's changed quite yet with the lines, but it looked like it can easily start pumping down. So let's see what we're willing to do. Big red candle, big red candle. There's not much you can do with these boys. I mean, you can try to scalp it, but you're just risking a lot. I mean, I like the scalp. I just like the big candle, right? I don't like the huge candle. I'm a fan of entering the trade, right, with a stop, of course. So I want to see if this is even going to get up a little bit. Maybe give me a 1-to-1. About right here. Close right above the 20. And let's see if we can get like a little bounce up. So let's see. Quite a bit of confluence. You got the 20, you got the close, you got the 50, you got the open. So got quite a bit of flavors right there, kind of holding it up. So maybe a small push wouldn't be so surprising. So let's see. I'm okay if it comes up here. I made profit, so I'm not gonna run now, but I'm okay if it jumps up here and start tailing everybody. So let's see. All right, create the inside bar. It's actually not a bad look. So I'm assuming it's either gonna come all the way back down here and jump up, or maybe midway and skyrocket. But let's see. We're sort of in a range, right? So it may dip down, but you know, jumping up, skyrocketing it up, it would not be a bad thing at all. The Dow, see what the Dow did? The Dow decided to come back down into it, right? So let's just hope that the Russell doesn't want to do that and it wants to continue up, so we can, continue the position that we're doing. All right, created a little higher high here, so we're looking now at a bullish candle. We just got to see where it finishes. Oh, the market is not forgiving, but we'll take it. All right, we'll take it, but it's not forgiving, as you can see. Look at the Dow drop. Look at the Dow drop. Beautiful lower low. This started a lower low. Yeah, this made a double bottom here, so that wouldn't have set it up. Still one big red bar. Lower low. Lower high. Lower low. So let's see now where this wants to take us. Not against shorting it. Still in the trending market of a biased long, but I'm definitely not against shorting it. But let's see. All right, let's see where he's going. I'm actually excited to see if it's going to make a lower low on the Russell. It made a lower low here. I'm bold, so put my stop there. And let's see if we can capture some change, maybe down here. And let's see what the Russell wants to do as well. Bad entry, guys. I should have waited to pull back a little bit more, but yeah, it's my bad on that one. Yeah, it's my fault on that one, guys. Bad entry. Looking so I get a couple dollars on the Dow. Let's see, Dow. Let's see, Dow. Let's see what you're working with here. Let's see if you want to come down to this area. Let's see. Let's give you some time to make sense of everything. And let's see if you can shoot back down here where your fellow mates are. They'll be happy to see you. Yeah, I get it. It's a slow grind. Yeah, I get it. I get it. I get it. It's a slow grind. So let's see what you're capable of. All right, about 30 seconds. Let's see if it wants to still continue downward or if it's gonna make some sort of pattern. But let's see right now. It's looking strong, man. It's looking strong. Ooh wee. What a steal from me today. Alright guys. That is my trade in for today. We down 104. We're supposed to be down 60 and I blew it. Alright, but hey, this is what day trading is really like. And you just gotta be patient and it's gonna get some of these big trades. It's up and down, up and down, up and down. I deserve that. I'm not gonna lie, I deserve it. Alright guys, but we're gonna post this, we're gonna get this up and let's get people to see what day trading is really like. Even the small amounts, $100, people lose way more than this. I should lose a lot more. But we just just risking, risk management at its best. But all right, thank guys. We'll post this up and you guys have a good day. We'll post one tomorrow as well. See you tomorrow.